I think we're living in some of the best times of our lives. There's great advancement in technology. There's rapid growth in various sectors. This is because of globalization and the access to information. Today, you don't have an excuse not to be informed, and that creates opportunities. Innovation works big time. Let us create, let us be relentless in creating new ideas and also empowering and learning more about technology and looking at how we can make the next generation better. My name is Mahamud Omari. I'm the CEO and founder of MoMo Pencils, and I am an entrepreneur. When we came up with this idea came as one of the options that we had been looking at initially when we were starting. We wanted to come up with an activity that was going to keep us occupied, but at the same time bring finance and also create generational wealth. So when we looked at all these areas, manufacturing was the right decision. And one of my founders said, have you heard of pencils made from newspapers? I said, no, I've never heard of them. So we did a bit of research and realized that it's very possible to manufacture pencils from recycled newspapers. And looking at the larger market, which is the schools, we realized, this is going to be easy. You know, pencils are being used every day. So if we do pencils and we can easily get the raw materials, then we are in big business. That was the initial thought. More and More company was registered in 2017 as a limited liability company. After that, we started now looking at the process of setting up. So after understanding more about the process that is required, then we had to look at what kind of machinery do we need to be able to produce the pencils. We had the product in mind. It's still not yet physical in our hands. We had the company set up, and that is how we started our operations. So as a manufacturing company, we manufacture eco-friendly pencils made from recycled newspapers. We buy our newspapers from the youth groups and the women groups, so we create employment for them. In terms of the market, we are dealing with traders who would stock and sell to retailers, but we also do customized pencils. So through the pencil, we impact them and transform their mindset towards solving, coming with solutions to local problems, advocating for environmental awareness, and at the same time, empowering those who cannot afford quality writing tools to get quality education. The schools have been very receptive, and the community now is starting to realize and seeing the impact, the power of a pencil. Our vision as a company is a pencil that changes the world. Last year, we impacted 145,000 students. 145,000 students, we actually engaged with them directly. We also planted 7,500 trees. Again, we changed our focus to fruit trees because we realized fruit trees provides nutrition.
The major challenges were getting the right product. We cannot say that getting the material is a challenge because we outsource the newspapers. But biggest challenge was actually getting the pencil that you're going to call a pencil, a sharpenable pencil, because it took us almost 2 years to get the pencil that you can see is a pencil.
Challenges is what motivate me. Can I overcome them? How can I be a better person? How can I make a better product? How can I make a better company? How can I empower communities? How can I empower society? How can I empower individuals to realize greater things than what they can imagine? Because it's all possible. One thing which is a fact, you cannot do anything alone. Nothing can be done by just one person. Coming together will be able to get us to where we want to be. My advice would be get together with people who will complement what you're lacking. Expose yourself to knowledge. Get yourself within people who can be able to uplift you to be a better person than you are.